Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a Bluetooth car using Arduino. So let's get started. These are the parts I am using. Arduino Uno, L293D motor driver shield, HC05 Bluetooth module, four TT gear motors, 4 rubber wheels, chassis. So let's get started to make it.
Another doorway to open up and see what kind of lifeline will be waiting there for me. I need to bury all these fears and let them fade away. I'm not scared, I'm prepared to find myself again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end. I'll rise up from the ashes, I wanna burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing. The pain that I once let kill my vibe, I fear the day that I lose the chance to fight. So I stand up tall, ready to face it all again, and I will not fall, I won't lose again. I wanna fly over mountains, I wanna reach the end, I'll rise up from the ashes, I won't burn again. I'll find my way through the bitterness I'm feeling. I won't rest, I won't give up, I'm still healing.
Alright, I have made the car. Now I am going to connect the wires and fix the Bluetooth module.
I'm still healing.